Pakistan's crackdown in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir is now facing growing international scrutiny. Weeks after the Joint Awami Action Committee's mass movement triggered widespread unrest in POJK, thousands of members of the Kashmiri diaspora marched through the streets of London, accusing Islamabad of human rights violations, political repression, and the use of force against peaceful protesters. The demonstration, joined by Baloch and Pashtun activists, demanded the release of detained political leaders and called on the international community to hold Pakistan accountable. Here's a report.
What began as a movement demanding basic rights in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir has now evolved into an international campaign challenging Pakistan's actions. Thousands of members of the Kashmiri diaspora gathered in central London for what organizers called the London Kashmir Million March. Waving flags and carrying placards, protesters marched from Parliament Square to the Pakistani High Commission, raising slogans against Islamabad and demanding justice for those killed and arrested during the ongoing unrest in POJK. The protest was not limited to Kashmiris alone. Members of the Baloch and Pashtun communities also joined the march, drawing attention to what they described as a broader pattern of repression by Pakistan's military establishment in Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The latest demonstration comes against the backdrop of a deepening crisis in POJK. The unrest began after the Joint Awami Action Committee launched protests on June 5 over governance issues and basic rights. The movement intensified after several protesters were allegedly killed in firing by Pakistani security forces. Since then, Pakistan has been accused of launching a sweeping crackdown, arresting Joint Awami Action Committee leaders, political activists, and civil society members while tightening its grip over the region. Among those arrested is Joint Awami Action Committee Chairman Shaukat Nawaz Mir, whose detention has become a rallying point for protesters both inside POJK and across the global Kashmiri diaspora.
ये तो साबित हो गया कि अब पाकिस्तानी ऑक्युपाइड जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग मनहसूल कौम पूरी दुनिया में पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ उठ खड़े हुए हैं। अभी जो तकरीर की है सरदार अमान ने, उसमें उन्होंने चुनौती दे दी है कि हम लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल की तरफ जाएंगे, हम राजौरी की तरफ जाएंगे। यानी कि अब लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल जो है वो लगता ये है कि कुछ अरसे में अगर ये मसला हल ना हुआ तो फिर ये 5 जुलाई को जो आपने देखा है पूरी दुनिया में हजारों लाखों कश्मीरी निकले हैं, तो ये मुझे लगता ये है कि ये फिर जो जम्मू में इनके भाई हैं, जो इनके हम वतन हैं, उनको ये पुकारेंगे, उस तरफ जाएंगे।
The London March is the latest sign that Pakistan's handling of the POJK crisis is no longer confined to the region itself. Over the past several weeks, demonstrations have been held in multiple countries, while rights activists have carried the issue to international platforms, including side events at the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva. Activists have accused Pakistan of arbitrary arrests, excessive use of force, communication restrictions, and suppressing peaceful political dissent, urging an independent international investigation into the situation. The latest mobilization in London reflects growing frustration among overseas Kashmiris who argue that Islamabad has responded to demands for democratic rights with arrests and intimidation instead of dialogue. Meanwhile, political uncertainty is also growing inside Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir.
कश्मीर पाकिस्तान के
As authorities prepare for the scheduled assembly elections later this month, many protesters have questioned the legitimacy of the electoral process, alleging that the existing political system functions under Islamabad's control rather than reflecting the will of the people.
And I don't think that the elections called on the 27th of July are going to be held anymore, because people are now saying that we are going to boycott it. They say we are not going to vote for another puppet assembly. So we'll have to see where this movement goes, how far people take it, and how far actually Pakistani stubbornness lasts. And they are killing, they shoot to kill, they kill. They are, doing straight firing on the peaceful protesters.
With protests spreading beyond Pakistan's borders and international attention steadily increasing, pressure is mounting on Islamabad over its handling of the crisis in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. For the demonstrators in London, the message was clear. The movement for political rights in POJK has crossed borders, and demands for accountability are becoming harder for Pakistan to ignore.